Right, here goes. So, picked up a new camera over the weekend. Went all the way to Shrewsbury to get it. It is a Canon EOS M50. So this is going to be pretty much our primarily used YouTube vlogging kind of camera that we're going to be using going forward. So today is pretty much just going to be speaking about the camera, unboxing it, showing you guys what comes in the box. Let's dive straight into it and open it up. Let's have a look. So I've been waiting for a while to get one of these cameras. We're currently filming on the iPhone 8, I think it is. Does a pretty good job, but I think it's time to upgrade a little bit. So brand new, out of the box, all packaged up, as you can see. So we've got, this looks like to be part of the plug for the charging, which is there. Okay, let's undo that. Okay. There we go. So, plug socket. Put that down there. And then, there we go. So this should be the other part for charging the battery life up. I heard I done a little bit of research before I got the camera. Heard that the battery wasn't great, so I decided to get another charger as well with it. So that plugs in at the bottom. Nope, not like that. Oh yeah, it's either way. So there we go, probably in there. Put that to one side. What other goodies have we got? We've got bandana or for the camera to go on. Probably won't really be using that much, so I can go over there. And then we've got, which seems to be battery. So this is, it's not compatible with the camera that I've been using previously. This is a Canon battery pack LPE12. So take that off. And this slides, as you can see, to the battery charger, and then you've got the point on that end. They need to marry up. That's it. So what else have we got in here? Wow. So that's what you call a manual. How many pages is that? I don't know, it's a lot. It doesn't say how many pages on there. So different languages, getting started. So plenty of reading material there. I have to have a look through that. And then you've got your warranty. And now we start getting into the good stuff. So, body of the camera. Plenty of wrapping. Wow, it's tiny. So small. You got a nice little grip on there. And then what I really like about this camera is the flip screen. So when you're doing a YouTube video or vlogging, or you're outside doing selfies, you just pop that up, take a photo, give it to your friends, so at least you can see yourselves. And then what's also nice about this is if we flip it back in, we've got that solid part there. So if it's in your bag, it's not going to you're not going to damage the screen or anything like that. Buttons on this are really, really tiny. So we take off the main body cap. That's what it's called. What you never want to do, you never want to pop that down or get any dust in it. So always kind of have it up like that. I'll just pop that back on for the meantime and see what else we've got in the box. Pop that down. And I think this is part of the kit that I got, which comes with a lens. So this is, yeah, the kit M15 to 45 kit lens on this. So I'll pop that to one side and have a look at this. So small, so small compared to a normal standard lens. that you get with a camera that we've been using recently. That is the Canon 1300D, which is kind of an entry level. So is this, but and with this one it shoots in 4K. So it'd be interesting to see what that's kind of like. So as you can see, lens, tiny baby lens. So let's pop this on, take the cap off. And when you want to put the lens on, you need to find the white dot on there and also the white dot on the lens. They marry up. Twist clockwise and you'll hear a click, and that's it. It's on there now. Right, so we'll put that back, the cover back on, which is already on. And put that down for a moment, and we need to check out the battery. So battery for the camera goes underneath. And this is where the SD card also is going to go. So, oh wow, nice. So let's try that again. Literally slide to the left, flicks open. Battery only goes in one way, so again you can see the little gold markings on the side. No, it says it goes one way, but it obviously doesn't. Let's have a look. Has the guy sold me the wrong battery with it? Right, there we go. No, so I was right straight away. So literally that just flicks in and you can hear a click. Which, no, you can't hear a click. Right, let's turn that round. The guy in the shop did say this was idiot proof. There we go. So yeah, literally clicks in. So scrap what I just said. It's the opposite way to what I just said. Right. As you can see at the bottom, you've got a little slot there where your SIM card goes. So let's have a look. Pop that down for a moment. So we've got a SanDisk. This is a 64 gigabyte for 16 hours worth of whatever it is. So, I don't know, lots of pictures, lots of videos on there. So let's open up that and put that in. Get out my trusted Leverman. Trying to chop my fingers off. Okay, so it's saying cut this way. Actually, that'd probably help if I got the scissors out. Oh, there you go, first time. Right, so. Don't worry guys, I'm not going to cut the whole thing, I'm just going to make an indentation. That's how long it takes, so as you can see it would take quite some time. If I was to go all that, it would be all day. Right, so rip that open, turn that to one side, and there we go, slide in here, get the little porky fingers in there. And there we go. SD card. Jesus, how much packaging do they want to put on this? Right, so open is. Here we go. So let's slide this. Let's get our trusted scissors. And pull that to one side. Careful not to break it. As you can see, little 64 gigabyte. So let's see if we can get this right then, shall we? Pop that in, slide it to the left, pops open, and that I believe goes that way. And we should hear a little click, either that or it breaks. There we go. Don't know if you heard that. To get it out, I'm not really sure. I think you just push it back in to get it out. Nope, yeah, there it is. To get it out. Just see if it does go the other way. Probably doesn't, but nope. So, push that in. Should it close? And we should be good to go now. So if I open this up, face it that way so you guys can see it, turn it on. And so it's come up with a date, time zone, so let's just see if we can skip that part. So we've got the different dials at the top. We've got the manual, AV, TV, P, A, SCN, a couple of circles, creative filters. So it's coming up on the screen, tells you exactly what it is. So I'll just pop it in manual. Okay, and with this, well, I flip it that way, nothing happens. Turn that, and then you might be able to see if I do it again, what comes up. Press the button down halfway. Don't know if anything happened there, but so yeah, I'm just literally going to spend the next week or two giving this a play around. Obviously this is a lot better and a lot technical than my camera is, so it's going to take me a bit of time, but hopefully over the next couple of days and so on I can come back with some video footage and give you guys a proper full review of what I think. I mean the camera cost quite a bit of money. It was about £600 with the extra pieces. I did get let's pop that back on. Not that one. That one. I did also get a extra battery. I think that was about £20 to go along with the camera. And also I got a Joby Gorilla Pod. This is the 3K. So literally with this, it's pretty solid, pretty sturdy. You can move it around. You can adjust it, adjust the ball. To literally just put this on the camera, we unclip this there for a moment, and as you can see you've got the little screw at the bottom, so that part goes on there. You just screw that. Sometimes with these, oh, that one works pretty well, so you need to have that to the back of your camera so you can see if it's straight or not when you're lining up. And literally this should just slot inside the Joby or Gorilla Pod, whatever you want to call it, like that, like so, and then you can move this around and get it as straight as possible for when you're taking those photos. And then if you want to move the ball head, you can do like so, level it up. And to go along with this setup is also going to be our video micro. So this is basically like a shotgun mic, just goes on top of the camera. See if we can fit that to it while we're here. Comes like that. So this top part of the camera is where it goes. So with this, I think you just unclip this, push it towards yourself, and that comes out. You might want to keep that in your kit, just in case if you decide to sell the camera in the future, so you've got all parts. So if we pop that down there, piling up this rubbish. So basically your microphone comes like that. You can either have the wind, I think it's called a wind blocker, I think so, and that's the actual mic that's inside. So that's going to fit on there with this part. So with this, you need to clip that to the mic. You need to pull it out slightly and push it towards. Takes a bit of force, but literally that lines up with that groove there. And this is the slot that's going to go onto your camera. So we push this on here like so. Turn clockwise, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, and that fits there. Let's looking good. And then we've got plug that basically goes in for the road mic, which goes into the camera. So this will slot in the back of here. So that goes in there like so. And then you've got the mic output, which is at the side there. So what I'm going to do now is just literally pull that out and down and to the side. So as you can see, so literally you pull it out and it just goes to the side, out of the way, and that should just plug straight in there like so. And that's pretty much ready to go. So literally we're going to be filming all the video footage for YouTube on here. This is going to be a bit of a vlogging camera, something we're going around and we're talking about what we're doing and what we're up to. But yeah, as the videos improve, you know, we've you know, hopefully we can improve the quality of the videos along with the quality even. So that's it for today, and we'll see you guys in a couple of days. Bye bye.